in ensuring ukuthi leyo system iyasebenza, because uma beqala initiative play uchain laphaya noSiyema noMbokazi, because bapush ama-fullback a little bit up, then maba ehlukana ama-center back lawo oyi-2, then kuvela uNemthajela to receive ibhola and turn to a progressive play and continue to support the play moving forward. Whether ibhola lihla ngothinta laka right, he is there to give a second option to the man of the ball. Ibhola limuvela ka right, he's always there to give a man on the ball a second option. He also joins the attack with making those late runs, which are very, very dangerous, because he has a good technique in both his feet and he has goals in his feet. He can dribble, he is strong, he's a complete player in my opinion. He's one of those players, if you see them play and you see that, you know what, this guy is an international type of a player and he deserved a call-up with national team. Nemthajela.